Have you ever tried to sit down and just be aware of the present moment? Eyes open and taking in what you see, hear, and feel. We're talking about really paying attention to what is happening right now, in your body, in your mind, and in your surroundings. Practicing awareness is an amazing workout for your brain. It's a superpower to start becoming more aware of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations. In today's world, it's easy to get distracted with notifications and social media. And this can lead to stress, anxiety, and a feeling of disconnectedness. Awareness helps us break free from the cycle. It's like hitting the pause button on all the noise and taking control. One of the simplest ways to practice awareness is by observing your breath. Or perhaps observing the taste of your food before taking another bite. Or even observing your balance and how your feet touch the ground as you slowly walk back and forth. Or how about journaling and really paying attention to each thought that you put down on paper? These simple acts can help you calm your mind and bring you back to the present moment. So next time you feel stressed, try to become aware and observe for a second before you act. Just see how it transforms your experience and helps you live a more fulfilling life. To learn more about the amazing benefits of awareness, go to the Tools for Teens platform and access the notes section. We'll see you there.